Hello, what we're going to do today is we're going to learn how to make a Bool toggle. So as you see, I have a mesh that I'm going to turn on and off. I'm clicking that drop down button and using my arrow to go all the way down. It's going to be create new clip we are going to be locating. Once you locate that, we will click it. Mine's just taking a while to get down there. You're going to name it whatever you're going to find it as. Mine was just game now. We're going to click the little red little bullseye. We're going to move over a tick mark, click on the mesh you want to turn on and off. Where you see that little check mark in the inspector, you're going to turn it off. Then you can see if you go back and forth, it'll go on and off. We're going to unclick that little red dot, which is to record the animation we just recorded. We're going to turn off the wait time. So now we're going to double click the FX. We're going to click on the plus button in a bool. This is in parameters if you don't have it open. I'm going to name mine toy. With this, it is cap sensitive and also space sensitive. Next, we're going to go into layers, click the plus sign. We're going to name it the same exact thing. Click on the little gear and then turn the weight all the way up to 1. We are going to drag and drop the animation we just recorded twice into it. One of them is going to be orange and the other one's going to be gray. You can make either one -1. For this one, I'm just doing the orange one as -1. What we're going to do next is we're going to do a right click from the top one, and it's going to say make transition, and we're going to drag it to the bottom and do the same thing to go up. Now we're going to click one of the transitions. We're going to turn off pause exit time and make the duration 0, and then fixed duration we're going to toggle off. Now in conditions, we're going to click the plus, make sure it's whatever toggle you just did. So this was toy, and we're going to keep it true. You right click at the top where I just did and copy parameters, and you right click again. You can do paste both, just saves a little bit of time. And instead of that true, we're going to make it a false. Next, we're going to find that parameter, click on the little plus sign, change it to bool, and then name it the same exact thing we just did. So mine's toy. I'm going to go into my menu, click the plus sign. I'm going to change the name to whatever you want it. The type will be a toggle, and the parameter will be the parameter we just did. So mine's a tool, and you'll see how it says bool, toy, and it will say bool. So this is just me kind of going over it, just in case you missed anything. Feel free to slow down the video. Me just making sure I didn't put down the spaces incorrectly, because that can be some things when you're doing manual stuff that goes wrong. Next, we're going to click the play button while we wait for VRC Fury to do its lovely thing. Whenever you're doing a toggle, you want to make sure everything's organized. For this one, I am just working on a project. I recorded everything already. So I just made a new FX and duplicated it so I can show you guys how to do the Bool toggles. VRC Fury will take a while. It's kind of just the way VRC Fury works with all the scripts. When VRC Fury is done and we'll see the back of our character, usually it's the back of the character in game because it will switch over from scene to game. We're going to click back on scene. We're going to click on tools in our hotbar and go to gesture manager. So what you're going to see is I'm just going to zoom in just so you can see it. I'm going to go into my expressions like you normally do in VR chat, and I'm just going to toggle it on and toggle it off. This can show you that it's going to work inside of the game. Once you're okay with that, you're just going to click plus again. It will bring you back to how you originally have it in T-pose. And that's pretty much how you make a bowl toggle. I hope this helped.